welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. My name is KK. I'm a solo traveler from Brooklyn, New York. Welcome to the channel. So guys, right now I am packing for vacation and I just had an idea for this video. I literally still have stuff that I need to unpack, so I figure I'll share with you guys some really good tips. So if you're new here, I've been to a few all-inclusive resorts. I really love all-inclusive resorts, and these are the things that I bring with me and some of the things that people forget. Alright guys, so the first thing on the list is going to be a waterproof pouch. They have different variations of this. I have another one, a white one. I think it's in one of my other suitcases, but this one is really cute. You can store your phone in here, money, wallets. So the next thing you don't want to leave home without is a cheap pair of flip-flops. Do not bring your good flip-flops with you because they will get ruined. So you want to bring a cheap pair of flip-flops. Alright guys, so the next thing you're going to bring is your SPF 50. I'm going to put the one that I just ordered from Amazon on the screen. It hasn't come yet, but make sure you pack your SPF 50. Okay, next up is a portable charger. If you've been following me for a while, I've had this since the travel journey started. I love it. Also guys, make sure you stay to the end because the last item is something I wish I knew on my first trip. Alright guys, so next up is your basic medicine and first aid kit. You want to have a first aid kit, especially if you're traveling with kids, Band-Aids, Neosporin, etc. And you also want to have a medicine bag. I just got this one. For all your medicine, it's so cute, right? Alright guys, next up is noise canceling headphones, or you want to bring your earpods. Especially when alright guys, so next tip, if you watched my last video, this is super cute. It's a laundry bag slash packing cube. I'll leave the link down below. It comes with a couple of different pouches. Super cute. Okay, so next is your beach tote or a waterproof bag that you're going to take with you to the pool. I just wanted a different color. I have like a blue one, I'm sorry, a black one, but I wanted one that's a little bit bigger. So this is adorable. And you can put your wallet and everything in here. If you want this bag, let me know. I'll put the link down below. But this is really cute. Yeah. Alright guys, so the next tip, you want to bring small bills for tipping. This is how you get VIP treatment without paying extra. Okay guys, so the next few items is definitely like the solo traveler vibes. You want to make sure you bring a good book to when you're hanging out by the poolside. Don't forget a book. Also, these super cute beach clips for when you get your towel from the hotel. Don't forget to bring your card down so you can get your towel. But yeah, don't forget to get you one of these. It also, lets people know like, hey, this is somebody's towel. Don't grab my towel, type of thing. Obviously, you want a hat or visor. I like two options in case I want to put my hair up in a bun. The tripod or selfie stick for, solo travelers if you want to take your own pictures. Definitely a must. Get your fan. I have so many cute little fans. Wait, oh, these batteries. Okay guys, so the next thing I have on the list is the wrinkle release spray. A lot of times when I travel, especially like in Bali, and when I went to Bali and I went to Thailand, the iron situation is not always up to par. So you definitely want to get you some wrinkle spray. I'm going to put it right here. It's still on the way. Hopefully to get here before I leave. It should be. So yeah, don't forget to get you some wrinkle spray. It's just another little cute item that I grabbed. It's just like a micro towel. So cute. I'll leave the link down below. You can put it out on your you can put it out on your beach chair. I have no idea what this is, guys. Let's open it up. It's a surprise. Oh, it's another packable hat. So cute. Child, I just be ordering stuff. So cute. Hey travel buddy, so this is like a bonus tip I wanted to throw in here. Here's something a lot of people don't realize before going to an all-inclusive resort. Some of the restaurants actually have a dress code, especially for dinner. During the day, you can usually wear beach wear, flip-flops, and swimsuits around the resort, but at night, some of the nicer restaurants require what they call resort casual. So for women, that usually means a sundress, a skirt, or a nice top with sandals. For men, many resorts require long pants and closed-toe shoes. They often won't allow tank tops or swim shorts. And actually, yes, some of the restaurants won't let you in. So one thing I always recommend packing is at least one nicer outfit for dinner. You definitely don't want to get too dressed up to show up to the restaurant, and then you don't want to get turned away. So I picked this up, guys. This is not a must-have, but I just love it. It smells so good. I got it off of Amazon, and it comes with a perfume mist. This is a shower cleaning gel. And this is a... Alright guys, so the last item that I wanted to share, that I wish I knew the first time I took my first solo traveler trip, is a floaty for adults. So much fun. There was a couple at the last resort we went to, and I was so jealous. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. If you're planning a trip, save this video so you don't forget anything, and let me know in the comments where you're going.